So you are a company and you have a help page with answers to frequently asked questions and information about your products and services. For example, this is the Nike help page and it provides answers to all these questions. You also could have PDFs with more information about your services, your company, how to fix certain problems, etc. And you have customers that send you emails with questions. And some of these emails, maybe they have questions that can be answered only from your website or from your documentation. What if you could have an automatic reply sent to these customers in 30 seconds that answers to their questions using your website and your files and your PDF files? I am going to show you in this demo. I have set up a bot for Nike's help page in this PDF, in this email address, nike@solvemyemail.com, and I am simulating an email from a customer asking about a product, a heart rate monitor. So let's send the email and see what happens. We have to wait a few seconds. Meanwhile, I will make the comment that when our system indexes a website, we also index all the sublinks. So for example, our bot is going to have the information that lies inside this link, and also this is an article. This article has other links inside, and also our bot is going to have all this information in its database. Now we can see that we got a reply. Let's open it. We see that the bot has replied to the email of the customer, and it has also sent links to the documentation. And here it has signed with Nike as Nike email bot, and it says this email was generated automatically. So something that you might be thinking is, I don't want my customers to send an email to someone else. I want them to email my company's email address. And the answer to that is yes. Your customers are going to still email your company's email address. That doesn't change, and I am going to show you how. You're going to set. You can use this solve my email address only for testing, right? This is let's say this is testing, but when you go to production, your customers are going to email your current email address, but you are going to set a forward rule in your email settings. This is, for example, a Gmail account that let's imagine that this is your company's email account, right, where customers send emails. I am going to set this forward rule to resend all the emails to the bot, to nike@solvemyemail.com. So now let's simulate this use case. I am a client, I am a customer, and I am sending a question email to this Gmail account, which it simulates your current company's support email account. I am going to send this email, and if we go to the inbox, what's going to happen is that this inbound email is going to get forwarded to the bot, and the bot knows that it's forwarded, so it's going to reply to the customer. It's going to extract the customer address from the forward, and it's going to reply to the customer, and it's going to add your business email as copy. So the bot is never going to email your customers without copying you, so that you are always in the loop and you always see the reply that the bot sends to the customer. We can see here that the bot replied to the Hotmail account. This is the Hotmail account, right? We can see here this simulates the customer, that the customer has received the reply, and you can see what the bot did. And also, when the customer replies, let's say the customer wants to reply, the reply is going to go to your to your own email address. It's not going to go to the bot. So you always own the emails, and you always are the receiver of your customer emails.